I'm back in a job that I did a while ago. I had cracks, little cracks going across the entire ceiling of all of the rooms because I believe it wasn't pre-filled. And I went in and I scratched them all out. Matter of fact, I'll attach the video to this. I scratched them all out. I filled them all in a couple of times with Durabond and then with topping. And now winter set in, heat came on, every crack came back. You know, like I said before, when you pre-fill something, it's to stop the drywall from getting pulled together, pushed together. And when you tape it, stops it from getting ripped apart. Now, theorizing, because it's strictly a theory for me right now, because I've never really had this happen to me before. Once I fix something, it's usually stayed fixed. But what I think was happening is in the summertime when I did this, everything was pushed together. And we had this crack from it moving for the years before I got here. It was moving back and forth and you could see all the cracks. I scratched them all out. I pre-filled them and everything else. Well, then winter came and everything opened up. So that's why all of these cracks came back. So now I'm going to tape all of these cracks. I'm not going to mess with trying to scratch them out, pre-fill them again. Who knows? I might be able to scratch these out and pre-fill it. I'm not taking a chance this time, but I'm just going to tape them. So let me see if I can't show you this. Okay, you see that crack? Now I fixed that once before, and it's come back. And that's not the only one. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them just in this room. And I have one in another room. Everything that I taped the last time I was here. Matter of fact, I had a break right over this window here. There was a crack right there. I taped that. It never came back. I have some butt joints here that I taped. They never came back. But all of these seams re-cracked out after it was painted. He said when it was painted, it looked beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It was just perfect. Everything was perfect. Matter of fact, he replaced all the carpeting and everything else after it was repainted. And now it's going to have to be repainted again. So, but yeah, they all came back. So pre-fill, guys. Please, 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 please pre-fill before you tape. It's going to avoid all of this from happening. If I had done this house from the beginning, none of this would have existed. So pre-fill, pre-fill. I'll actually attach one of my videos for pre-filling on this video too. So pre-fill. So this time, instead of just scratching out that little line and pre-filling it and mudding it in, I taped all of these seams with fiberfuse. I taped them all with fiberfuse and Durabond and lightweight 20. Fiberfuse and lightweight 20. And now I'm gonna skim all of these out with +3. And if they come back again, it's probably not a drywall problem. There's something else going on here. But yeah, I really don't think any of this would have happened had this house been pre-filled in the first place. You know what? So since I've done all of this once before and it all came back, I can't charge for this. So I'm spending the entire day here taping these seams now, coating them in with 20, skimming them out, all on my time, all on my time. So I should have, truthfully, it's never happened to me before. Usually when I fix something, I can pretty much tell if it needs to be done or not. But like I said, this time, I think what happened was the heat came on and everything just opened up. And that's why everything re-cracked. Before, it was a little bulge there that I scratched out. You could see the crack, but there was a little bulge there. And I scratched that all out because everything was swelled up from the humidity in the Chicagoland area in the summertime. And it was just swelled up. Now it's shrinking up and cracking out. So this might crack again in the summertime when things expand again and push back together. I don't know. I don't think it will. But if it does, I'm sorry, I can't fix it. I've done everything I possibly can and know how to fix this, and then I just can't fix it at that point. So now, you guys have a good day. Hey, if you really like this video, subscribe, and if you really, really like this video, share it with somebody else. You have a great day.